Hi everybody. Just a little training video to let you know that we have a new way of testing the chlorine in our swimming pools. Our pH test will be exactly the way it always has been. You're going to fill the comparator up to the top line. You're still going to add 5 drops of reagent R0004, the red one with the red lid. Swirl it to mix, and then you compare to match the color closest to the pH sample. Now the chlorine is going to be a whole new system, slightly different, actually a lot different than what we've been doing. For the chlorine test, we're going to be still using the comparator, but we're going to be using the large side. You're only going to fill it up to the halfway mark. The chemicals that you'll be using will be one DPD number 1 rapid. It's a little tablet that you'll be putting in that sample. Then we'll be putting in these R0871. They're called a titrating reagent. Okay, and we will still be using the number 3 reagent as usual. So once you've filled up to the halfway mark, you're going to put 1 tablet in to the comparator. If it turns any shade of pink, we have chlorine. You're going to stir this a little bit and make sure that that tablet is all dissolved. You see it turns a pink color. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put 1 drop at a time of the titrating reagent, counting how many drops it takes to turn this pink clear. So we'll go 1, swirl it to mix, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we're getting there, still just slightly pink, 8, and we're clear. Since it took 8 drops, you're going to multiply that 8 by 0.2. Or if you're math challenged like me, just 8 times 2 is 16, and you add a decimal. So the free chlorine reading would be 1.6. If it had taken me 5 drops, my free chlorine would be 1.0. 6 drops, 1.2. So it's just multiplied by 2, add a decimal. So that would be the free chlorine that's free and available to immediately kill bacteria. Now, I want to see if there's any chloramines. Chloramines are everything bad that you think about when you think about chlorine. The eye burn, the chlorine odor, all of that is caused by chloramines. Chloramines form when like hair, skin, ammonia, things like that combine with some of the chlorine, and it forms chloramines. In a perfect pool, there are no chloramines. Since we don't have a perfect pool, when I drop 5 drops of number 3, if it turns pink, that means I have chloramines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it turned a very light pink, so we do have some chloramines. To determine how many, I again use the titrating reagent. Drop by drop, counting the drops. So it's 1, 2, almost, 3, and we're clear. That means if I multiply 3 times 2 is 6. So I'm going to add the decimal point. So the free chlorine, the combined chlorine or the chloramines are 0.6. If I add my free chlorine, which was 1.6, plus the chloramines, 0.6, if you add the 2 together, you have the total chlorine. you have any questions about how to do any of this, please let me know. Send me a text or send me an email. Thanks, everybody.